kits formulated for women put together for 3 months called Ultimate Balance Kits, best for women with endometriosis and adenomyosis, and for women who desire to enhance their uterine health and get pregnant naturally. Product description: Ultimate Balance Kits is designed to balance your hormones, clear the symptoms of endometriosis and adenomyosis, eliminate foreign tissues found in endometriosis and adenomyosis, cleanse your body system of toxins, supply nutrients to your uterus, and help your body systems obtain total balance to increase your chances of getting pregnant naturally. Product benefits: Ultimate Balance Kits cleanses the body systems of toxins and drug residues and resets your health. It helps in balancing your hormones and reducing the inflammation and pain of endometriosis and adenomyosis. It relieves the symptoms associated with endometriosis and adenomyosis. It stimulates liver activity for improved estrogen metabolism and works to balance progesterone levels. It eases heavy menstrual bleeding and blood clots. It helps control bleeding and spots that occur in between periods. It helps to stop the invasion of new foreign tissue growth and keeps the existing foreign tissue growths under check. It reduces abdominal congestion and regulates menstrual cycles. It reduces cramps and spasms, decreases the symptoms of PMS, and encourages the uterus to relax. It provides your body with a variety of vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin B, B2, B6, B1, B12, C, and E to support your reproductive health. It enhances your overall reproductive health and fertility. It supports the optimal functioning of the uterus and encourage conception. You can order Ultimate Balance Kit now to restore your overall reproductive health functions and